welcome back to a new video, guys. First of all, happy Independence Day to all of you. It is sort of early morning. The sky is grey. It has rained all night. I think it should be a good day to have a drive. What are we going to drive today and where are... So we'll be driving Tata Nexon today. Not one, not two, but a lot of them. Because my friend Dhruv and few other Nexon owners here in Pune have planned an independence drive for Nexon owners. I think this is just the first one. We'll have to see how this goes so that we can plan future rides. But I'm quite excited about this one, to be very honest. It'll be a good chance to meet fellow Nexon owners, interact with each other, get to know what they think about their cars. We'll be sharing a lot of experiences with the car, with the drives that they have had, mileage, maintenance, and all those things. And not to forget, have fun and enjoy the drive. So we are expecting about 12 or 13 Nexons. The owners with their families. Some of them are coming with their families. I'm hoping to have a good time. Let's see how this goes. And meanwhile, if you're enjoying content on my channel, then you know the drill. Hit subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share the videos that you like. I'm just driving to Dhruv's place. I'm not driving any of my Nexons today. I'll be tagging along with Dhruv and his family.